Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're in control. First, open Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration. This is where system vibration lives. Once there, lower vibration intensity for notifications to 0 or toggle vibration while ringing off to stop general buzz. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking changes. If active, pause it temporarily. This removes most device-level vibration immediately, so you'll feel no buzz for calls and notifications. Yet app-level settings can still override. Next, you'll stop lingering app vibrations. Go to Settings, Notifications, then see All to view apps. Tap an app, open its notifications, and for each channel, turn off vibration. This is important because many apps control their own channels, so changing system vibration doesn't affect them. Once done, make sure critical channels still have sound or visual cues if you need them. If an app won't stop buzzing, use App Info to force stop, clear cache, or update. That often resolves stubborn behavior. Finish by restarting your phone to apply all changes cleanly. This ensures background services honor the new settings. Make sure accessibility features, like touch vibration and third-party apps aren't re-enabling buzz. Check their settings too. If vibration persists, boot into Safe Mode to isolate whether a downloaded app causes it. Safe Mode disables third-party apps. If Safe Mode stops vibration, uninstall the last installed apps one by one. If not, consider a factory reset after backing up data as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.